Most people don't stay broke because they don't make enough money. They stay broke because they're following rules designed to keep them broke, and the scary part is, most people never realize it. Every day millions of hardworking people wake up early, go to work, pay their bills, and still feel financially stuck. They aren't lazy, they aren't stupid, they aren't irresponsible. They're trapped in a system built on invisible habits. You were probably taught one simple formula growing up: go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, everything will work out. But look around. People earning $40,000 struggle. People earning $80,000 struggle. Even people making six figures sometimes live paycheck to paycheck. So what's actually happening? The problem isn't income. It's behavior mixed with psychology. Because money isn't just math, money is patterns. Imagine two people earning the exact same salary. One ends every year stressed about bills. The other quietly builds wealth. Same income. Completely different outcome. Why? Because one person follows default financial behavior, and the other understands the hidden rules of money. Insight number 1. Most people upgrade their lifestyle faster than their income. The moment income increases, expenses follow. New phone, better car, more subscriptions, nicer apartment. It feels like progress, but it's actually a financial treadmill. You run faster and stay in the same place. Wealth isn't built by earning more. It's built by keeping the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Insight number 2. People focus on saving instead of ownership. Saving money feels responsible, but inflation quietly eats savings every year. The wealthy don't just save. They own assets, stocks, businesses, real estate, things that grow while they sleep. Poor and middle-class money sits still. Wealthy money moves. Insight number 3. Most people trade time for money forever. Jobs pay for hours. But wealth comes from systems. If your income stops when you stop working, your financial life resets every month. That's why side hustles, investments, and digital income streams matter. Not because they make you rich overnight, but because they break dependency on a single paycheck. Here's something nobody talks about. Many people aren't broke financially, they're broke mentally. They believe money is scarce. They believe investing is risky. They believe wealth is for other people, and beliefs quietly shape financial decisions every single day. Insight number 4. Debt is normalized. Society teaches you to finance everything: cars, phones, furniture, vacations. Monthly payments feel small, but stacked together they quietly steal future income. Debt turns tomorrow's money into yesterday's spending. Insight number 5. Nobody teaches financial psychology. Schools teach algebra. They rarely teach cash flow. You learn how to work for money, but not how money works for you. So people repeat the same mistakes generation after generation without realizing it. Here's the mind-blowing truth. Most people stay broke not because of one big mistake, but because of thousands of tiny automatic decisions. Buying convenience instead of investing patience, choosing comfort instead of ownership, following financial habits they never consciously chose. The system doesn't require you to fail, it only requires you to stay unconscious. But the moment you understand the rules, you stop playing the wrong game. You start asking different questions. Instead of asking how much can I afford, you ask how can this make me money? Instead of chasing income, you build leverage. And that's when everything changes. If this video made you rethink money even a little, you're already ahead of most people watching. Because awareness is the first investment that pays unlimited returns. Subscribe to Cash Rules algorithm for simple strategies, powerful money psychology, and the financial rules nobody teaches you. Your future self will thank you. And remember, the algorithm rewards those who learn the rules of money early. I'll see you in the next video.